In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install the ATC system to the Onefinity CNC machine. So you'll get these two sets of cables. One is a spindle control cable, which is a 6-pin, and then the other is going to be a 3-pin, which is the actual ATC control. This front port right here is the GX12 6-pin, and the back port is the GX12 3-pin. And let's go ahead and plug the ATC one in first. And you'll just push it into place and then tighten it up. It can only go in one way. There is a notch on the actual connectors. Then the spindle control cable, you will do the same thing. Plug that in and tighten it up. Now let's go over to the Masso controller side of things. Alright, so you will need a 4mm Allen key. There will be 4 screws right here, and you'll just unscrew these. Mine are already out. This thing's on hinges, so you'll just be able to open it up. Then you'll have to take your ATC control cable, and you'll have to fish it, the 3-wire, fish it through this bottom part right here. I would recommend securing this somehow, zip tying it to probably one of these studs with a screw or something else just to secure it. I'm not going to because I pull mine apart if I do it. So that's something I suggest. Ignore the color coding, it's going to be different. These will actually be labeled to what pins they go to. So this is my input 6, so this will be labeled with shrink tubing. They'll say input 6 on every one of these kit control cables. So we're going to take this to input 6. You'll need a small screwdriver, flathead, and you'll just insert this. Make sure that the ferrule is seated all the way down. You don't want ferrules sticking up. You want to make sure that they're seated all the way down. Then the next one we're going to do is going to be TTL output 1. And we will just push that all the way in. And do that. The next one is going to be a ground wire. This ground has to be on the ground of the actual power supply. So, input 6, ground of the power supply, and TTL. Then just reinsert your 4 screws. Then we have our 6-pin connector right here for the spindle control. There is an actual GX12 6-pin connector on the bottom of the Masso screen, and you will just insert this into the bottom and screw it on. And now everything is ready to start setting up the configuration in the actual Masso screen. And we will get back to that in a different video on how to set up the actual configuration settings of the ATC system.